Hi everyone, it's Mel. Today I'm going to share with you some sunspiration with our top 5 fragrance and vessel pairings inspired by this season's top fragrance trends. This season is all about inclusivity, wellness, and expressivity. Characterized by notes of earthy smoked woods, ozone and elemental accords, bright and bold fruits, florals, fresh soil, grass, and dew, this season is a well-rounded ode to the natural wonders of spring. Here are our top 5 spring fragrance and vessel pairings. Natural ivy geranium and pink rosemary. Warm and green and a little spicy. A fresh green garland of floral flavors combining with small pink flowers, green moss, rosemary, ivy, and geranium pairs effortlessly with the classy translucent champagne posh vessel. Cotton blossom and tuberose. Bright, fresh, and clean. Bursting with notes of wild blooming cotton blossoms, form a fresh spring bouquet with soft tuberose and hibiscus, and packs a bold, room-freshening punch when paired with the sunny saffron allure double glass vessel. Sun-drenched ivy and lilies. Floral, wet, and slightly musky. Imagine a morning stroll, fresh morning dew evaporating with the sunrise in a garden of blooming lilies and wild jasmine, pairs beautifully with the fresh translucent mint posh vessel. Natural Arabian jasmine and bays roses. Warm, rich, and floral. Like lathering in a big, freshly cut bouquet of flowers filled with charming notes of pink and red roses, white jasmine, pink carnations, and rich amber, and was made for the sweet, rosy allure double glass vessel. Moonflowers and vanilla clouds. Clean, sweet, and a little woody. Experience soft, fluffy vanilla clouds flouncing in a garden of crisp, clean florals. Makes an excellent pair to the charming iridescent unicorn posh vessel. What's your favorite spring fragrance and vessel pairing? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Now go make it happen.